Hello, I'm back with another video. I made the hiding spots and key spawns and all that stuff off video. They're in the link in the description, but I'll show you how to make them. Let me just reset the whole thing. Okay, so if you wanna make you wanna get some keys, so I'm just gonna write some keys and get. Let me just get like 2 keys right here. This is gonna be called red. This is gonna be called gray. The gray one's gonna stay the same, but the red one is going to be red. Like that. Perfect. So now what we wanna do is we wanna make these spawns so you can add some parts. Okay, perfect. Now group all of these into a folder. Call them item spawns. Make sure they're anchored. Add a script into server script service. Make sure to group the keys into a folder and name it items. Put it into server storage. Now for item, parent goes workspace. Item, pivot to workspace, wait for child. Item spawn, get children, math to random, hashtag, item spawns, like that, and at the end.c frame. Perfect. Now that should work. Right before it, we're just gonna get local spawn is gonna equal to this. I'm just gonna call spawn. Now spawn destroy. Like that. If you run the game, they should all spawn. Yeah, they all spawn. It's perfect. And at the end, make sure to do workspace, wait for child, item spawns, clear all children. Now, if you want to make the door, you want to copy a door, just copy that. Make sure that the yellow can open is Pikachu, and red can open is Pikachu. So when the door is triggered, like unlocked, they can both go through. And when they lock, so you can write lock. Okay, I have this lock, so I'm gonna position it where I want the lock to be. I can do the same thing on the other side. Now you're gonna get both of these and put them inside the door. Group them as a model and just call it lock. Ungroup both of these. You don't need them to be grouped. Delete the thumbnail camera if there is one. So you have these both. You can add a string value inside. Call this item name. This is gonna be red. Now you want to go in the script. Okay, now in the script you want to move this over here. I'm gonna check if door find first child lock. Then we want to copy this, and we want to find door first child lock. Dot destroying wait. So we're waiting until the lock is destroyed so we can open the door. And now we're gonna see if parent dot name is equal to door wait for child lock wait for child item name dot value. Then also right before we want to check if door and door find for child lock, just in case we already deleted it. Door wait for child lock, and we're just destroying the lock like that. Replay the game. We can't open the door. We cannot open the door. But if we get the, let's try to get the gray key first. we can't open the door, but if we get the red key... Oh, now we can open the door. Perfect, that's perfect. And now's the time to make the hiding spot. Okay, well, I'm finished making it. We're gonna do the same thing as the door. We're gonna put hinges, but there's gonna be two, one for each side of the door. Make sure you group this as a model also. And name the hinges to the corresponding door. Now make sure it's all anchored, except for these two doors. And make sure to put a part in front of the whole door section. This is going to make it so no other players can sneak through, and also so the killer can't sneak through and get stuck. Now you can add a script inside. Perfect. Prompt 1. Prompt 1. And then you create another barrier inside called prompt 2. Add a proximity prompt in each one of them. Once you're finished that, we can set the rest. Once it'll full or blur inside school nil. Cool. Prompt 1 on prompt 2. Single. Prompt 1 for proximity prompt. Commas. Prompt 2 for proximity prompt. Prompt 1 trigger connect function. Player. If not player inside, then player inside equals player. Animate. Player dot character pivot 2. Prompt 1 dot parent dot cframe times cframe dot new 0, 2. Prompt 2 dot trigger is going to equal to prompt 2. Animate. Perfect, that is it. Let's test it if we play here. So what we can do is the prompt 2.enabled equals true. Prompt 1.enabled equals true. Over here, set this to 2. Okay, it works. We're inside now. Get out. Get in. Get out. Get in. It works. Can move inside and all that. But the doors are kind of broken. So for the hinges, make sure that their transparency is 1. And you can't collide false. Put the well constraints. Now when we're going to animate them, we want to make them open and close. Perfect. Now when we have this, we can copy this like that. But over here it's going to be minus and minus like that. Over here it's going to be 2 and 2. And between we're going to wait 0.5. And then it's finished. We've done it. Okay, well, make sure I accidentally didn't name them hinge 2, so make sure these ones are named hinge 2. I only named the upper ones, so when we play, it's going to work. It's working, but they're kind of glitching because there's no debounce. So we're going to add a debounce. Local debounce equals false. Debounce equals true. If a debounce, then return end. Wait 1 debounce equals false. Oh, I accidentally put it here. Make sure to put it behind or else it's never going to work. And for here, make sure it's teleporting you out a bit more. So minus 2, 0, 0. And name, this one is kind of written badly, so now it should work. Yeah, it opens and closes when you get in and out. But if we want to get in, we want it to be first person when you get in. You want yourself to be in first person when you get in. So let's fix that. The player.camera mode is going to equal to enum.camera mode.lock first person. Copy the same thing, put it over here, but classic over here. So when you play, it's automatically going to go in first person. Okay, I did it around. Copy this over here. Copy this over here. Perfect, it works. So there we go, there's a hiding spot, and to clarify that the killer cannot see you when he comes, watch this. Look, he doesn't see me, I'm here. So it works. Thanks for watching and goodbye!